Hi, it's another mini mailbag and yeah, let's start with the small package here. The reason I'm doing another mini mailbag is first of all, I did all this radar sensor amplifier and Arduino stuff. If you haven't seen it, card link to the first part before Christmas, and I spent the better part of 2 weeks with the family with no access to the lab or opportunity to make any videos. And so something else in here? No, it's empty. And so I make this mini mailbag to have something for you. Anyways, these are obviously a lot of needles. To be exact, dispenser needles for solder paste. Yeah, I always complained that the two needles I have, the plastic one here and the steel one, they're basically too big. But now I have, how do you get them out of here? Now I have all possible sizes, and yeah, let me open that up. And the small ones here, yeah, open it up. Easier said than done. And these small ones here, they are really small. Let's see if I can zoom down there. So they come in 7 different sizes and 4 of each size. And the important thing is I have now much smaller dispenser needles than I had before. You know, I always complained also in my latest SMD soldering versus reflow video. Can I get into the view? Card link. That my dispenser needles are too big. And they seem to screw in just fine. Yeah, I was a little bit concerned about that, but they're okay. I got it wrong. There are 5 of each size. Anyway, these were the piercing needles? No, the dispenser. Yeah, here, dispenser needle. Okay, for €6. Of course, it's on the German Amazon site, but just so you have an idea, you find that on Amazon, and yeah, free delivery. Everything's honky-dory. The second reason I'm doing this mini mailbag is that I have absolutely no idea what's in here. Can't remember ordering anything from Amazon. What the hell? What the hell? Toothpaste. Now, no. I'm drawing a blank here. There's nothing else in here. No writing, no nothing. Because I looked at my Amazon account and I hadn't an open order. So the thing is, this is obviously some advertisement stuff. But if you get some thing for a kind of consumption, something you put on your body or into your body, like food or something to drink or some pills or toothpaste. Okay, it is from Amazon. Yeah, okay. It is from Amazon, but I didn't order that, and it just said return to Amazon. DHL package, return to Amazon. Would you really use that? I mean, would you put that into you? Would you put that onto you? I mean, it looks like a perfectly fine tube of toothpaste. It looks sealed. But I don't know. It's a bit heavy. It's extremely heavy. Like it has, I don't know, some heavy metals in it. I waited. It says 75 milliliters, so it should come to, yeah, we'll see. I get some scales. Just a second. So this tube of toothpaste weighs 122 grams. Okay, toothpaste is a little bit on the heavy side, but you know what? I'm throwing that away. Yeah, it goes to the bin straight away. No questions asked. I mean, this is... I can zoom down on it, or yeah, we have HD. Yeah, it comes from Amazon. That's no, that's dodgy. Anyway, that was another mini mailbag, and yeah, that Amazon package was somewhere between disappointing and disturbing. And yeah, my dispenser needles, quite okay. Till next time, bye.